So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find listings that are coming soon here on Redfin. So once you're on Redfin, go ahead here and type in your location that you're looking to buy a house. So for example, I will just use New York City. As an example, then I'll go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to view a bunch of different listings right here. But if you want to find listings that are coming soon, so not quite available on the market, but they will be posted pretty soon, go to the top to where it says for sale right here. And where it says coming soon, make sure that that is the only thing that is checked off, and then press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing right here is a bunch of different listings that are considered to be coming soon onto the market in your selected area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find listings that are coming soon here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.